Alright, wala na ulit intro. Unboxing na ulit. Alright.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Alright. So guys, ito na po, no? Nakita nyo ng lahat finally ang aking FOCUSRITE SCARLETTESolo. Alright. So ito yung ating unboxing tonight. And actually tapos na, no? Ito lang naman yung box niya. So as you can see, yung ating box, napakaliit lang niya. Ito lang siya. So once na inopen mo siya, very straightforward. Ayun na kaagad yung kanyang item. And inside the box, no, makikita natin, no. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo lahat. Tanggalin lang natin 'to. I think ito yung pinaka USB cord. Okay, so ayan. So it's a USB type C. Okay, na gagamitin natin para i-plug in ito. Ilabas na natin, no? Alright. So, ito lang siya. So, i-plug in natin itong USB-C dito sa FOCUSRITE, and then, ito sa computer para magamit natin siya. Okay? And mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo para saan ba itong maliit na kahon na to, di ba? So, baba lang muna natin. Ano pa yung laman ng box? So, siyempre meron yung manual, important safety instruction. So, paano sa gamitin, documentation, and it's empty. So, meron ding ilang mga ano dito, no? Instruction, I think for installation or some application na pwede mong magamit for free with the FOCUSRITE. Kumbaga kasama siya dito sa binili mo, sa binayaran mo. Okay? And let's go on with the actual item. Okay? The FOCUSRITE ScarlettSolo 2i2 3rd generation. Okay? So para saan ba ito? Sige, buksan muna natin, no? Naka-plastic pa siya. Right? So sige, duputin na lang natin. And makikita natin dito na yun na siya. Okay, meron lang siyang konting silicone something para absorb ng moist. Maiwasan, I think, yung moist and yung pag-aamag. Okay, I'm not sure. So, ayan, very straightforward. This is it, the item. Okay, this is the FOCUSRITE ScarlettSolo. Okay, so para saan ba itong cute na kahon nito? So, ito ay ginagamit. Okay, ang tawag dito is audio interface. Ang gamit nito is kung gumagamit kayo ng mic, which is XLR microphones, ito yung way para magamit mo yun sa computer. Alright, for the features naman ito, no, close up, pakita ko sa inyo yung other features niya. So, syempre, bukod sa XLR 3-pins slot niya, okay, meron din siyang 48 volts button na kung saan if you are using a condenser mic, it usually requires ng 48 volts para gumana. So, ngayon, with this, you just have to diba? Turn on the 48 volts and then gagana na yung condenser mic mo. And meron din siyang air button na based on the reviews, you can benefit with this feature lalo na kapag sasabayan mo siya ng instrument. So sa mga gustong kumanta for recording, ito maganda daw ang magiging tunog nito, okay? And syempre ito yung volume knob or gain knob, okay, para ma-adjust mo yung lakas or hina ng boses mo pag nagre-record ka through this XLR slot, okay? And ito naman for the instrument, okay? So ayan, kaya meron siyang ints, diba? So indication na yun na this is for instrument talaga, but actually you can also use this for the microphone, no? Pero ang mangyayari kasi hindi siya magiging balance, okay? So, and also ito naman yung volume knob for the monitoring device, which is a headset or a speaker, okay? Para ma-adjust mo din yung volume sa gusto mong marinig, okay? And then you can also turn on and turn off the direct monitoring. So if wala ka namang ginagamit na instrument to monitor, you can just turn it off. But if you want to monitor your voice, your instrument, and then you can just turn it on, okay? So that's it. All in all, dito sa ating Focusrite, and sa ibaba niya, so meron lang siyang 4 rubber something, okay, para at least hindi siya madulas-dulas. And serial number, some descriptions, okay, and that's it. Okay, so guys, again, meron na naman tayong in-unbox. Okay, so this unboxing is typically an upgrade mula dun sa aking previous na mga ginagamit na tools para mag-record ng sound, ng voice, ng video. So, again, gumastos na naman tayo. Tama ba? Pero sabi ko nga, hindi siya gastos eh. It's actually an investment. Diba? Kasi, sa akin, pag meron akong ginagawa, anything na ipagawa mo sa akin or gagawin ko, I usually do or give 100% na kaya ko ibigay. Kung kaya 200%, I will give my 200%. Okay? So, that's the lesson that we can learn from this, na kung saan, pag meron tayong ginawa or may pinagawa sa atin, make sure na gawin mo talaga ng todo. Give your 100% effort, give your 100% commitment, time kung kaya, kasi kung gagawin mo lang din ng isang bagay at hindi mo naman din gagalingan, for me, wag mo na lang gawin. Kasi bakit? Chances are, you'll just fail. Or you will just give a sloppy ba tawag doon? Diba? Hindi masyadong maganda yung magiging resulta. Diba? Kasi nga, hindi mo naman binigay yung best mo eh. At the end, baka magsisi ka pa. Diba? Na kung saan, for example, you are in a competition, diba? Na ginawa mo, pero hindi mo binigay yung best mo. At the end, pag nag-fail ka, o kaya ay hindi ka nagwagi doon sa competition na yon, magsisisi ka lang sa uli. Sabihin mo na lang sa sarili mo na sana pala ginalingan ko. Sana pala binigay ko yung todo at yung best ko. Pero, sabi nga, laging nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Siyempre, try mo magsisi sa umpisa, ewan ko lang. Tama? So, walang ganon. Nasa huli ang pagsisisi. So, that's why, in anything and everything that we do, always and always give your 100, 200, 300% effort, skills, and talent. Dedication. Kasi, if you've done, or you gave all of it, diba? Nag-all in ka yan sa bagay, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin, for sure, it will always be worth it. Manalo or matalo, it is worth it. Why? Simple. Manalo ka, you will be so fulfilled kasi you gave it all. Diba? So, ramdam mo yung success mo kasi pinagpagura mo talaga. Talagang in-effort mo. Okay? When if you fail, still, it's okay. Why? Kasi you will be satisfied. Kasi sasabihin mo na, okay lang, binigay ko yung best ko, talo pa din. So in short, for the person that win over you, he really deserves it. Tama? So, lesson for you is to practice or make it better for the next time. Nagigets? So in short, you know something that you need to improve sa sarili mo kapag binigay mo yung best mo. Okay? So it's a win-win situation. You will learn a lot. Okay? And at the same time, if you really want that situation, that competition, or that certain thing, the results will be 100%, 200%, 300% fulfilling. Yung success, mas ramdam mo. Gets ba? Kaya guys, in anything and everything you do, again, always give your 100%. Okay? So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat and bye-bye!